Hi friends, so this is our next packet and ये आपको लगेगा कि ये Amazon से है but ये and let me just open it up and show you. मतलब किसी ने मतलब I think the same seller has उन्होंने Amazon की पन्नी उल्टी करके पैकेट कर दिया मीशो का सामान. So need to check कि क्या सीन है. See, purchased on Amazon, India's largest brand not from Amazon, this is from Meesho. So इसको अपन साइड में रख लेते हैं. बहुत हो गया Amazon branding. So let's start with this and this is baby Yoda. And अगर आपने मैंडलोरियन देखी होगी तो वाओ आपको याद होगा. एंड इसका नाम आई थिंक गॉर्गू है. एवरीबडी थॉट इट्स अ बेबी योडा बिकॉज मतलब फर्स्ट वाले में तो उन्होंने एकदम लास्ट में आई थिंक फर्स्ट वाला या सेकंड वाले में उन्होंने बताया था कि इसका नाम गॉर्गू है. सो यू कैन कंट्रोल एंड एवरीबडी थॉट बिकॉज इट्स लुक्स लाइक योडा the all supreme understanding wala person who is actually very cool also. He saved a lot of people, this and he speaks foreign language and this is actually quite big. Like if I just show you for a reference, this is an iPhone, just look, and for a size comparison this is like about 26 centimeter by 23 centimeter. And we also have, and this is it's and it's quite nice like the क्या बोलते हैं रैग वाला मतलब वो बोरी वाला कपड़ा होता है ना. And this heads rotate and this hands also rotates, leg does not. And this is I think the bag for him. I think it's the bag जिसमें उसको भर के वो लेके जाता है मैंडलोरियन. And this is a bag. I think you can carry it for sure, or it is just he was always inside this bag probably. Yeah, I think this was it. He is always inside the bag thing, so you can have a it's nice like just इसको इधर लगाया दो हुक हो गए अपने दो हुक हो गए तो you can always carry him like a baby yoga, like a Mandalorian would. And ये यहाँ से ऐसे छोटा बड़ा भी हो जाता है तो you can like make it bigger to carry or you can just make it smaller. So sorry guys. And then this. So now let's talk about the starting with the back. Back का ये detailing अच्छा है. This is like this looks so good, like such a good quality bag. And अंदर की तरफ भी if you see मैं उसको पलट के दिखाऊँ like good, nice. And then hooks भी like good enough to hold that. So इसको भी अपन साइड में रखते हैं and let's zoom it on this. मैं आपको और डिटेल में दिखा. just see, look at the eyes, it has a good reflection. then यहाँ पे भी paint work बहुत nicely done है like this way. and even the hands का detailing, if you see 3i hand का detailing, even the clothes, just look at it. It's might look like little jadoo type. He looks Yoda and creepy. So yeah, it is nice, cool, amazing, like definitely buy. And rotation wise it can rotate and it has that baby wala yay hi. This is also hi. And you can put them in a bag. So yeah, for this link in the description. Bye bye, thank you.